Kayla. I actually wanted to play this game for so long. I have not played Subway Surfers in years, but now I could actually play it because I actually just downloaded it. And ugh, I got that character. Okay, Salsa Boy, Frank, blah blah, Tasha, Ninja, Tagbot, Lucy, Goth, him, is Tricky, okay, and then Jake. I think I wanna. I don't know. Let's do Tasha. And I think I'm going to turn on the music. Turn that down. Now let's go. Ooh, Brawl Stars. Okay. Interest. Actually, could I pick different music? 8-bit. Okay. This is fun, I guess. If you're seeing this, this will be uploaded on Wednesday. But right now it's for me it's Sunday. Oh, I don't know what others. No. Okay. I like this. I want to see how if I could beat my high score, which is 765 648,000 or 600. Nope, 765K. Oh my gosh, this is bringing back childhood memories. Actually, can I turn the volume down? I'll turn maybe right there. Oh, this is better. That's the classic music that I love. There we go. Her character is so cute. Oh, already. Wait. I want to turn. Let's make it the same. Maybe right. I don't know. I think that's good. That should be good. Resume. I don't know what that is. Poco. Poco. This game used to get sweaty back in the day. But this is actually pretty fun. Like low key. Bro, I've been seeing on TikTok where people there were talking about certain stuff. And they would have the Subway Surfers gameplay on the bottom so that people could pay attention. That's crazy. Are you not paying it? That could never be me, honestly. Yes, I like Subway Surfers, but I could pay attention to what the person is saying without having gameplay on the screen. My attention span is not that short, but these days, some people's attention span is like not even there. I don't even know if you guys could see my score. What is that? I don't know what that is. I don't know what it is. Oh, and I saw on Instagram, well, from my area in like the DMV, there's like this alleged serial killer who's mainly targeting women and young girls. And it's said to avoid walking by yourself at night, which isn't a problem for me because why would I be going out at night anyway by myself? Which is actually very, very unsafe and very stupid. I would never do that. Like, never, never, never. Because I do not want to end up as somebody's victim. You guys probably saw that, but that's okay. I think that was TikTok, but like, it's getting scary out here. Because what do you mean there's an alleged serial killer in the DMV? That's so random and so scary. I especially feel bad for the students that do like after school activities and they're like walking home at night and just hearing about that. I wouldn't if I were you, if I were any of you that have after school activities and you get back home real late, like when it's like dark outside, please have your parents pick you up so that you won't get hurt, you won't get kidnapped, and you won't end up on the news deceased. Like the girl that was 19. My dad told me about this girl. She was 19. She got murked around, I think it was somewhere in the DMV because the guy that hurt her or killed her was like 35 years old, and I was like, what? Why are we still killing people? And the thing is, she's 19, which is the same age as me, and I'm like, whoa, that's actually kind of scary. Because how are you just going out and killing people? Especially when, like, killing people is bad, but like someone that young, you've barely even lived your life at 19 and you're already like gone. I don't get people that just kill for the fun of it or like just do it because they're clinically insane. And I just died. But I'm gonna use a key. But I don't get people that do that. I really don't. You know what? I'm just gonna stop talking and just vibe with you guys. Because this game is actually pretty fun. And I think for Friday, I'll probably do another cooking diary video thing. And then for Saturday, I'll probably find another game for me to play. Maybe episode. I might do episode. Episode sounds fun. Yeah. So I'll do that. Gotta be quick. Gotta be quick. Gotta be on my P's and Q's. Gotta pay attention. I'm gonna turn the music up after or right now. Can I? Thank you. I love this music. This music is so cool. I know I'm so good at this, guys. Oh, maybe I could get Temple Run on my phone too. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. It's gonna be whenever I feel like stopping it. So I don't know. Maybe 10 minutes, maybe 20. Just enjoy the gameplay while it's there. I hate this one. Oh. No. And I was literally on TikTok like a month ago. I saw like the security guard, bodyguard, whatever that guy is. He's on TikTok. There's an actual TikTok account of the Subway Surfers guy. Not the Subway Surfers guy. The guard dude with his dog, but instead of the guy and the dog, it's literally just him. It's like a whole TikTok account. I was like, wait, I've seen you before. That was crazy. His music is such a vibe. Is that guy the green one? The guy the guy with the dog? But the dog is not in the TikTok account. It's just the guy. Not both. Just one. Key. I got a key. I got a key. Oh, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. That made my heart drop just a little bit. Get that. Get that. Probably make it like a 15-minute video. Oh, yeah, I think I'll definitely make an episode. Do a little episode gameplay. And I'll make sure that you guys can read it too. Oh! Ooh. 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 That wasn't good. That was no good. That was no good. That was no good. I hurt my head on the train. Ow. Grab. Oh, I love those jumpers, whatever they're called. I keep forgetting that I have this. Not the subway. Skateboard. That's what. Yeah, it's a skateboard. With no wheels. Hoverboard. It's a hoverboard. It is a hoverboard. That's what it's called. Ooh. Ooh, I almost got hurt. Get down. Jump up. Ah! No! Okay. There we go. I know. It's been 13 minutes. Oh. Oh, I'm making enchiladas for dinner too. I'll see if I can post pictures of them on Instagram, I guess. I love this game. It's so fun. Jump. Move. Up, down, up. That wasn't up, down. Up, move, jump, move. Hit that. Yep. Jump. Jump. Jump over there. Give me there. Get that. Oh, I don't have enough. I don't have enough.